Welcome to CSC Learner YouTube channel. So in this session, okay, we will learn about the Angular 15 CRUD application, also role-based authentication. So we have two roles here. One is the users, okay. The user may be one or two or many, okay, and one or two admin, okay. Basically here I am having one admin, okay. Like the admin will have his own credential, username and password to log in, and a set of users like so and so will have their own credentials to log in. So when they log in, okay, user one, when user A logins, it should show welcome user A, and then it's down in a table whatever tickets they have raised, their tickets should be shown in the table. When admin logs in with his admin credential, he should be able to see all the users data, all the users raised tickets. He must be able to open and close the ticket, and also able to leave a comment for that particular ticket so that the user can able to read it as well. So this is the output which we have. Okay, this is the demo. So this is the login page. Here I'm going to log in using the admin credential. Okay, so this is the admin credential, and only the admin OTP will be 654321, whereas the user's OTP will be 126. See, there are one high priority task. Okay, and there is no use of admin creating a ticket, but here we can have. Similarly, I can go to the home. I can register as a user. Some user I can register. Okay, let me show it as well. So any names, let me give it as um, Ganesh. Okay, same name at gmail.com. Okay, repeat the password. Okay, it's a mail subnet. So please register successfully. So back to login. You can log in using the credential. Now I have another one credential of another one user. 123456 is the OTP for the users. So invalid credential. Let me check why. Login, yes. When I create the correct credential, it logins. So you can see the name Muthu. Okay, I can change the role, I can change the task. Okay, now it is open the ticket. Okay, now we can close the ticket. See, it has become closed. I can view the comment as well from the user. Here is the creating ticket. Okay, here I can create the ticket as well. Okay, whether it is a major or minor, select choose a file, and I can able to submit as well. Okay, this is what we are going to see in this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. We'll see continue. Welcome back. So now we will create a file. So and we will create a new folder. Okay, new folder. Let's name it ticket ticketing system. Okay, and let me open in command prompt as well and give ng new ticketing system. So this will create a new Angular project for me. So let it install. Give routing S. We'll select CSS. So this will be installing some packages for me. Let me pause and come back quickly after it's completing installation. Okay, it's completed installation. So we'll go to that folder, ticketing system, and we'll open it using VS Code. So skills code space dot. Okay, so it will open me in VS Code. So see ticketing system under source folder we have the app. Okay, under app we have the app.component.css HTML file. Okay, super. So first, let me create some. Let me open the terminal and create some components which are new. So I need a user login component, right? I need a user to log in and to register. So we'll create. First, we will run this ng server, and in another, okay, give this plus sign. Okay, it will open uh, another shell for me. So in this create, sorry, wait, let me, so it is generating. Here we will give ngc, okay, for creating generating component. Okay, user, it will create a user component. Okay, for other user login component I am giving user. Okay, we will wait until this being generating. Okay, it is running successfully. Okay, let me open port localhost 4200. Okay, so ticketing system is app is run up and running. So now I will create the other files to nggc register. Okay, since it's role-based authentication system, I want to have the list of users, okay, who come and register themselves, and then they can log in as a user. And then some people, okay, maybe one or two, will be as an admin. So the admin will have the authentication. Okay, the admin role is to uh, only to add a comment to a ticket raised by the particular user. So we'll also see that. So you can see user and register component has been created successfully. We'll create the a service first. Okay. To create service, ng gs service. Okay, we'll create a service folder. So inside that service folder, we will have auth. Okay. So this will create a thing for me. Yes, and then ng g. Okay, we have to create a auth code, right? So we'll create a god that will be inside god slash auth. So we'll use the scan activate method, click enter, so it will be also created. So here we have the services. So first we will have this user component. Okay, we will write some HTML for this user component. Okay, now we will create the HTML file. So I want a card, okay, mat card. So you know how to use mat card, right? So go to angularmaterial.io. Okay, so you can click get started, go to components, you can see everything. Okay, we need this card. Okay, so just import this in your app.module.ts file. Okay, open this. We will be having, we have to import many things such as, so under this imports folder, give a comma and then add this mat card module. Okay, so before that you also have to uh, install this particular Angular material. So in the terminal itself, just run this command. So this Angular material will be installed in the system in your project. And also we need this button also. Okay, most commonly we'll be using these things. So I would like to have that also here. Mat button module. Okay, so it is asking yes, you have to give it, okay, so that it will install the package. Then what I need? I need this form field also. Okay, form field module also I need. So let me quickly copy and paste this as well. See, the errors have been gone. Mat form field module. Okay. Apart from this, you need a what we need? Browser animations module. Okay, that also we need. So we will get it once we need every other things. Okay. So inside this mat card, I'm going to have a mat card header. Okay. Mat card header, which will say, okay, I will give that in H2. Okay. It will say user login. Okay. And after this mat card header, okay, I'm going to have a mat card content. Okay. Mat card content. So here is where I'm going to have the form tag. Okay. So this form is not going to have any action and all. So I can remove as well. And I can give a class name. Okay. Like example form. See, if you want to know, you can go here and see. Okay, you have so many things, right? So like if I want this, I can go and copy and paste this as well, right? So that is what I'm going to paste it here. Okay, copy and paste it. So in this mat form field, okay, this red is nothing. Okay, it's not a error. Don't need to worry about it. Okay. So instead of this mat label outline form field, we need it as a username, right? We will have it as a username, and we no need this mat icon. I will remove it. We no need this int also. Okay. Instead, what we need is mat input. We need a form controller name, right? I don't know. I don't want the space order. I need a form control name. Okay. Let me tell the form control name as ID. Okay. Is that fine? And I will need a class for this also. We'll give a class for this. let the class name be example full width. Okay, yes. Okay, so this only we are going to repeat it again and again. So let me copy and paste. So this one will be my password, right? So password ID also be password. Okay, mat input. It's a type password, right? So I have to specify that also, the type as password. Yes. Now I need a OTP. Okay, I need a OTP system. So I will have it inside the p tag. Okay, let me tell enter OTP. Okay, one time password, and then here we are going to include something called as ngx OTP input. Okay, we will fix that once. So we will fix this as well. Okay, go to Google and type this. Okay, ngx output input. So you can find this first one. You have to just copy it. Okay, npm install, copy it, and then paste it. So this Angular material why I have not completed it. See, it is still here. I have to give. I haven't completed this setting yet. Okay, so we have installed this. So I will just open another terminal. Yeah. Here I will give this ng7. In another one, let me paste this command. So this will install automatically for me. And also, okay, and also open app.modular.ts. Okay, you have to import that ngx also. So ngx, see, you get so many of these things, right? So in this ngx, the name is OTP input module. Okay, OTP input module. Okay, so this will work fine. Okay, so inside this, okay, you have to give a config file. Okay, the name is OTP input config. Okay, and the next property is OTP change, on OTP change, right? That you have, no? So OTP change, for that you can give some methods. Okay, handle OTP change. Okay, we will define it later. Okay, so which is an event. Okay, And then the last property we have is the fill property. Okay, it will have handle event, handle fill event of dollar event. Okay, yes. In app.module.ts, I have not imported here. Okay, ngx output input model. Okay, so these these, since I don't have anything, it will show the error. Okay, we can fix it later. Okay, after this thing we'll have a, let us have a div tag. Okay, now we are going to have one button. One is for login. Okay, button, you can go to the button options here. Okay, examples, I need this button. Okay, so I can copy this as well, but I know it. Okay, let me give it button mat raised button. Okay, color primary. Okay, which will say login. Next button, I can give it as a anchor tag. Okay, so which will have a router link. It will go to register page. Okay, and mat raised button, color accent. Okay, if he is a new user, he has to go to the registration page, right? So I am given this. So hope this is fine. Now open app.model.ts file, sorry, user.component.ts file. So we will say all the functionalities we need. Okay, but also we will have the handle submit button. Okay, ng submit. So we have to have that over this form itself. We should create a form group for that. Okay, you remember we create a form group for the form validation. So we have, right? So let the name be login form. Ng submit. Okay, ng submit equal to proceed login. Okay, this is the function I'm going to have it. Okay, we will use it here. So the first thing which I need is the form builder. Import form builder comma validators. Okay, from at Angular slash forms, right? And then I need a router. Okay, import router from at Angular slash router. Okay, I need ngx. Okay, this output model, right? So import ngx OTP input config. So from it automatically shows, right? Okay, fine. So before that we have this. Okay, before creating the form builder here, now we have to note one more thing. That is in app.component.html, what we have to have. Okay, so we can remove this completely. Okay, and then we can give router outlet. You remember these things? Yes, you just give router outlet and open app routing, and here we can give the specific routes which we have to have. So inside this const routes, okay, inside this array, we can create the path like this. So if it is an empty path, I have to go to which component? I have to go to the user component. Yes, comma. Similarly, if I want to go to the registration page, okay, the path will be register, right? Comma. The component is register component. Then we are going to create two more component. One is the admin dashboard. Okay. One is the admin dashboard and the dashboard. So we'll create it here as well. Nggc admin dashboard. DOARD. Okay. Admin dashboard. And then we have to create a component dashboard. Okay. So nggc dashboard. So we give the path as well. Path colon. So if I'm going to give it as a dashboard, it will go to the dashboard component. And to view the tickets, we have another one path. Okay, I will call it as view ticket, comma, the component name is admin dashboard. Let me save this. Okay, fine. Now let me give this form builder and all. Okay. So inside this constructor, we need the form builder, right? Private. You give a name for this builder. Let us say builder itself. Colon form builder. Comma. We need the router. We need the service. So first we will call the service. Okay, our service. Comma router. Private router colon router. Okay, we need a toaster service also, so we will say this private toaster colon toaster service. So this toaster service has to be installed. Okay, so go to this. Okay, ngx toaster. Okay, just install this. You can give this to command. Okay, it will really install it so fast. Let's wait until it installs. So what you have to do is just copy this line and paste it inside. Okay, angular.json file. Okay, okay, you have this angular.json, right? There it is. Okay, inside styles. Okay, here give a comma and then paste this line as well and save it. Okay, and make sure you have browser animations in the app.module.ts. Do you have browser animations module? Actually, I gave no browser animations, so it is having this only. No problem, we can give this as well. Okay, and we will remove this one. Okay, browser animations module. Okay, common module. Okay, fine. So in app.module.ts, import this line as well, and in under this imports you have to give toaster module dot for loops of. Okay, you have to give this line. Quickly set up this first page at least. So toaster I have removed as of now. Okay, so after this constructor, let me have a result. Okay, data type be any, login form equals this dot builder dot code. Okay, of. So you will have two fields, right? ID and password. So this dot builder dot control of. So you will be having the field validators are required. Similarly for the password, okay, this dot builder dot control. Here you can have any regress expression for the pattern checking, okay, for the password pattern checking also. Okay, as of now I'm not going to do anything. Okay, keep a semicolon here. Now we will use this proceed login. So we will define it here. Okay, if this dot login form dot valid, okay, if it is valid, then I have to call this service, right? This dot service dot get user by code. Okay, that is the service I'm going to use. Okay, of this dot login form dot value dot id dot subscribe item, okay, arrow function, save it in result. Okay, this dot result equal to item. Then we will have another one if condition here. This dot result dot password equal to this dot result dot password, okay, double equal to triple equal to sign, you have to check. Okay, this dot login form dot value dot form dot value dot password. Okay, if it is the same, then only I have to go to the thing, right? So if it's active, okay, this dot result dot is active, I have to store it in the session storage. Session storage dot set item of, okay, for id, okay, this dot result dot id, okay, comma, semicolon. I have to store one more thing, password, set item of, you save the password, but here I need this role, right? Either it is a user or it is a admin. So role comma this dot result dot role, fine. Then I have to navigate it. Okay, so this dot router dot navigate of, I will navigate to the dashboard page. Okay, because authentication is successful, right? So I can navigate into the dashboard page, and also I can have a else part here, so I can have a else part. Okay, that please contact admin, a lot of please contact admin. Here I can have another one else, okay, which will say, which will throw error, right? That error is invalid credentials, invalid credentials enclosed within double quotes. Okay, or else also I have to use one more thing, right? What is it after this? Else a lot of invalid data. Please enter valid data. Please enter valid data. Hope this is fine. And here you can insert the session storage. I have to clear the session storage. Session storage dot clear. Okay. Now you use this which we have. So in this user component, we don't need to implement testing on it. So I will remove this. So here I can give some of the options for OTP. OTP input config. Okay, that is ngx input config equal to within curly parenthesis. You have to give curly bracket. You have to give OTP length. Okay, how much is the length of the OTP? Let me say it as 6. Okay, 6-digit OTP. And then I can say some autofocus true. Okay, it will automatically keep the cursor there. And then we will have something called class list. Okay, so this will have another one array. Okay, which will have input box, input. Okay, let me quickly write it. Input box, my super box class, my super box class, comma, the input which you have, my super class, my super class, and then comma we have input field, my super field class, my super field class, input disabled, my super disabled class, my super disabled class. And similarly we have input success, which is my super success class. Input error, my super error class. So this works fine. And then we need handle output, right? Handle OTP change. So which will have a value of any data type be void. So here we can give, if you want to specify any values, you can say you can use it using a if class. Okay, but as of now I don't want anything like that, so I can have it empty. Handle fill event. Okay, some event has to be triggered, right? So for that I can have value any n, return type is nothing new, so void. I can have something called, I can console the value as well. So let me just have a console.log of value. Okay, so anything I have left. So this get user by code, the service I have to have it. Okay. Okay. Now we will have to use this service alone. So open the service. I will first try to give all the service. Okay. So for that only we need a HTTP client module. So I will have private HTTP. Okay. HTTP client. Okay. I can import it as well. Import HTTP client from at Angular slash core. No, at Angular slash common slash HTTP. Okay. So I will give the API URL itself. Okay. The API URL will be http colon slash slash localhost colon 3000 slash user. Okay. So for this I have to install JSON server, right? So you can just search here JSON server. So you have the first one, right? Click it. You have to install this. Okay, npm install JSON server. Run the command so that it will automatically install. Okay, actually you can use this -g so that it will globally install. Okay, let it install. Meanwhile, I can give the service as well. So register user, register user input data any, return this dot http dot. Okay, so I'm going to post the register user, right? Register user, it has to be post to this URL, so I will use the post method. This dot API URL comma the input data, right? Yes. So here I have to start the JSON using server using this command. JSON server watch hyphen most JSON. So you can see the db.json file being created for me. So in this I don't need this any of the thing. Okay, I will just have this post method. Okay, but initially what I have is the user. Okay, so instead of post I can say it as a user array, and then I will have another one thing for a ticket, so I will have that as well. Ticket. Yes. Okay, as of now let me give these two things alone. That is more than enough, I think. Okay, now again I let me open the services. Let me save this and let me open this services. So you can see these two things. Okay, so after register user, like that, similarly I need get user by code, get user by code. What is the parameter? ID. Okay, and return this dot. It is a get method, right? return this dot http dot get. Okay, so this dot API URL plus slash, okay, plus id. Okay, get user by id, then get ticket by code, that also we use get ticket. Let me give all the services here, and then we can use it in the project anywhere we want. Okay, so ticket by id, it is also a get method. Return this dot http dot, I'm going to get ticket by id, right? So I have to mention the URL here. So http colon slash slash localhost colon 3000 slash ticket. Okay, you will have a plus, then that slash we have plus the id, right? Okay, get ticket by code, then we need get all method also. Get all, okay, so it will not have any param. Return this dot http dot get off this dot API URL, that's fine. Then I have to post the ticket, so post ticket data colon any. Okay, post ticket, return this dot http dot, okay, it's a post method. Okay, I'll use any key earlier. Okay, so here also I'm going to use the same URL, so let me copy and paste it. Ticket comma data, right, comma data, post ticket, then what I have, get ticket and update ticket. Get ticket, sorry, get ticket, yeah, I'm always giving this wrong. Return this dot get http dot get of any of this URL. I can paste it, copy. Okay, then update ticket, update ticket. So here I will have two things, two params. One is the ID, yeah, of any type, and then the data. Okay, so return this dot http dot, so update, so I have to use the put method. Use this link plus the slash okay, plus id comma data. Okay, update ticket is okay. Then I will have one more thing, update user, which is very important. Okay, update user. Here also I will have two things, id and input data. id and input data. Okay, so update is also written put method only. This dot http dot of this dot API URL. Okay, this is for the user, right? This dot API URL plus this slash plus id comma input data. Okay, I can have is logged in. Okay, is logged in. So which will return simply this dot http. Okay, it will return what? Session storage get item dot get item id not equal to not equal to null. Okay, similarly is logged in get role. Okay, get role I can have it. So I believe this is enough. Okay, I'll save this as well. Okay, it is compiling. Okay, in it's just a warning. Even if I remove it, won't get anything. Okay, for root of within curly braces, you have to give prevent duplicate. So once you are giving one poster message, it will not be again and again creating same that duplicate messages. So only we are giving prevent duplicates true. Okay, fine. Now once we have done with the guard, okay, open the services. After services, open the guard folder. So here we will add few things here. Okay, so in the under the scan activate method, okay, I have added if this dot service dot is logged in. Okay, we use this service called is logged in, right? Do you remember? So so I'm returning, I'm said from session storage I'm getting the item ID. So I'm using this function is logged in. Okay, if this dot service dot is logged in, then I have to route dot URL dot length greater than 0. Okay, then the menu will be, okay, route dot URL of 0 dot path. And if menu is user, okay, then I have to get role. This also I have used in the service. Okay, if it is admin, return true. Else I have to navigate to the login page. Okay, home page. Like you have, and throw a error. You don't have access. Okay, so that is what I have set this auth card also. Now, similarly for the user. Okay, similarly I have to have the register page also. So now the output screen is like this. Okay, so if I don't write anything, it goes blank. Okay, so if I put Jai, okay, one, two, and for the okay, for the users it should be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, but it is not showing anything, right? In console also you can see. Okay, so it is not logging in. Why? Because see in user, okay, when the route path is register, okay, when route path is we are getting register user. So first we have to register, then only we have to sign in. So instead of register work, okay, we have to have our registration page also. So let me quickly do that. Let me pass this and let me quickly type this. Okay, now I am done with the registration page also. Let us go and quickly see it. Okay, new user. So I have, okay, username, password, name, email, password, and re-enter password and submit. Okay, fine. So let me create one also. Okay, so let us give some name as to. Okay, let me give one password also. Okay, now when I click submit, okay, see I'm getting the message registered successfully. Okay, I got one thing, right, registered successfully. Okay, if I go to localhost 3000, okay, under user I should have seen the thing whichever I have got. Yes, so back to login, let me use the same credential. Okay, when I give login, see please contact admin. Okay, so shows please contact admin. So only when the admin gives the access for this particular user, it will be logged in. So now we are able to get what we expected. Okay, see now you are able to get. So make sure you install the right package. Okay, npm install ngx toaster. Then okay, like that in package or JSON also you can check that will be coming. And also check in the angular.json under styles you have to add this one line node module slash ngx toaster slash toaster.css, and then you can install the toaster animations also. Okay, so with all these things you can able to run this as well. Now next we have to create the dashboard page. Okay, so for that let me let me create it very quickly. Okay, at first we will create two more components. Okay, the component we need will be update pop-up. Okay, raise ticket pop-up. Okay, first nggc update pop-up. Okay, and then I need another one called raise ticket. Okay, I will install that as well. Nggc raise ticket. which will be like a pop-up. Okay, so in raise ticket only the user will raise a issue. Okay, like whether the issue is a general category, minor or major issue, all those things they will give it over there. Okay, comment pop-up. So don't panic after seeing this. Okay, it is a very easiest thing. Okay, so here you could able to see. Okay, so some CSS I have. Okay, after that, okay, I have this div tag. Okay, inside where I have specified this ng if s menu visible. Okay, and then I have two router link. One is for the user dashboard. Okay, this no this a dummy I have given a customer. Okay, and one for the logout button. Okay, so let me run it as well. Okay, so if I log in using that, so first let me register as an admin. Okay, so the username will be admin. I will enter the password as well. Okay, register successfully. Okay, now you can go to this db.json file and see it as well. Okay, so is active, I can give it true. Okay, and now if I'm going to come, okay, log in using the credential of the admin. Okay, 654321. See, I have got this beautiful UI. Okay, so which says tickets, open ticket and close ticket. Okay, so all these things I have as a admin page. Now when I press this create a ticket, it shows a pop-up, no, raise ticket works. Okay, raise ticket works. So instead of that, I want to create this one. Okay, so this is the dashboard which I had. Okay, I have this table for listing all these things. Okay, with filtering option, ID, name, email, status, and role. Okay, I can view that also. So update pop-up. Now our task is to create this one. Okay, raise ticket works where we have to create a form. Here we have to change the status. So here also we have to create one more thing, and here we have to use the common pop-up. So let us quickly do that. So open the raise ticket where it is here. So instead of raise ticket works, we have to uh, give the form content. Okay, I will just copy paste it as well. Wait. Now I have created this as well. Okay, see in HTML I have the mat card. Okay, inside mat card I have the mat header, h2 tag, create new ticket. Then I have the form. Okay, inside mat card content. Okay, I have given the ng subnet raise ticket, form group as ticket form. Okay, and I have some labels like name, subject. Okay, which is also a input type. Form controls also I have given respectively. Okay, next one is a drop down option. Okay, I have to select from that. So mat select. So what do you want, like that I can ask. Okay, inside the drop down I have three things. One is the general inquiry, minor inquiry, and minor issue and major issue. Okay, the major issue is the high priority task as well. Next I have the a big text box. Okay, which will say brief your issue. Okay, and then I have another div inside where I have the file. Okay, file type file, where I have to choose and play, drag and place the file. Inside another div I have the two buttons. One is for the submit button and another button is for closing the button. Okay, I have given the respective styles. Okay, I will give this file in the description. You can check out the code anytime. And in TypeScript file I have used this ticket form. Okay, see, name, subject, select, brief, file. Okay, all that control name I have given the validators also using the form builder. Okay, and then I have subscribed the post ticket service as well. So let us go to this create a ticket. So now I can log in as a whom. So for that also we have to change the permission, right? So where is db.json file? Here it is. So for this user also I will give it as true, is active. So now when he is trying to log in, okay, when he is trying to log in, let's see what happens. Okay, must show login successful. Okay, so you can see the thing. Okay, yes. So this create ticket, why it is not coming? Let's see that as well. Okay, okay, create a ticket, on click get ticket. So in the dashboard also I have given all these things. See, is admin is user. Okay, is admin is false, is menu is false. So only if I'm getting the name from the session storage and role as well. If the role is equal to admin, then this admin will be equal to true. Okay. So what else we have? So here you can get the pop-up as well. Okay, here I can give same. Okay, same name I will give. Subject I will give install postman. Okay, it's a general inquiry I will give. Install postman in my machine. Okay, just browse some random PDF, anything you have. Okay, some random PDF you can browse it, and then I will submit. See, ticket added successfully. Okay, you can close it as well. So close. Now you can go and check it out. Okay, see one ticket also will be coming. So go inside the tickets. Yes. See, you can get the ticket right now. This works fine. Okay, the ticket whichever I raised, it is coming. And also now I have to work on this view when comment. Okay, let us do that as well. Okay, so for that, inside this update pop-up, okay, instead of this update pop-up works, I have to change the content. Let me change it real fast. So now inside this, okay, I have got few more things. Okay, so update user. Okay, I have this form as a ng submit update user and register form. So inside I have a role. Okay, from where I have a match select. Okay, drop down to select role. Okay, so from the ng for I'm using, let the item of role list value equal to item dot code, and then I have to get the item dot name. Okay, and another one match checkbox I'm using, which will saying is active or not. Okay, inside another div I have two buttons. One is for the submit button, and another one is for the closing the button. Okay, let's see in the TypeScript file. In TypeScript file we have the dialog graph. Okay, update pop-up at inject of mat dialog data. So I'm using this service get user role dot subscribe it role list. I'm going to save it in result. Then in ng on it, I'm going to check on if condition, that is this dot data dot user code not equal to null, and this dot data dot user code is not equal to null. Okay, so load user data that I have to call, and I have to pass this dot data dot user code. Now I have to edit the data. Here I am going to edit it. So in register form, I had all these things, right? ID, name, password, gender, role, and sector. So load user data. Here I'm calling get user by code and subscribe it. And then this register form I am going to set value. Okay, edit data. Okay. So set value of ID, this dot edit data dot ID, name, this dot edit data dot name. So like that we are giving. And then we are using this update user method, update user service. Okay, and I'm updating the register form dot value dot name and register form dot value. Subscribe it, closing the man dialog. I have this. Correspondingly, I have applied some CSS as well. Where it is, yes. So let us see how it is. Okay, see, I can select the role. Okay, why it is having only role? It should have the role, right? Okay, it's active, save, updated successfully. So now the status is open. Okay, so open ticket is 1. So like that you have all these things. Okay, so now we'll again enter it as what? We'll enter it as admin this time. 654321. Okay, see, you can see this comment. So whenever the comment has been passed, then only it will open. Okay, so I will open as a user itself. Okay, my bad, I have given wrong password. Okay, okay. So like this we have, okay. So now when I come as an admin, here I'm going to have a button. It will show view raise ticket. When I click the button, okay, I should list all the users. So for that, what I'm going to do is I have this admin dashboard, right? So inside this admin dashboard only, I'm going to give all those contents. So let me copy it. So in admin dashboard also I have the same content which I add in the dashboard, okay, in dashboard components. So see all ticket, open ticket, and then I have the pagination table, pagination sorting, okay. The only thing which we have is, okay, in the TypeScript we have the same thing, okay. We are getting the get all tickets method. I'm subscribing the get ticket service, okay. So let's see that. Similarly in admin update pop-up also I have the same role, and leave a comment, okay. This is the only thing which I have extra, okay. So the comment will help me to leave a comment, okay. I have got this error. Let's see that. Okay, okay, that's not a error, okay. Since I changed few things, it showed. So I'm done with the admin dashboard also, okay. So in admin update pop-up, I just have this another one thing, text box, okay, for leaving a comment. Now let's log in as a admin password, sorry, 654321. Yes, okay. Now the thing is I'm not getting here one button. So in dashboard, okay, view ticket, view rights ticket, I have this one, right? See, okay, so here I have opened in Chrome, okay. So when I log in as admin, I can see this, okay. So view ticket is the page, sorry, view ticket is the URL, okay. See, I can see the things. So here I can set the state role, as well as I can leave a comment like checked, okay, okay, and then I can save that as well, okay. So now when you come to the uh, home page, okay, in the comment you can see the comment as checked, okay. So let me give another one user and also check it. I can give as Sita, okay, Sita at gmail.com. So female subnet, okay, registered successfully, back to login. So in db.jsn file I can set it to true, okay. Save, okay. Now you can check it here as well. So let me enter as Sita. So here you can see the things been coming. Okay. Now it is open as well. There will be no comment because the comment has not been passed for it. I can create a ticket for Sita. Okay. So name Sita, subject. I can give it as what? What's thing I can give like OS reboot problem, which is a major issue. Operating system brief issue. Operating system fails to boot. Attach some. Now here I am attaching some dummy file. Okay, submitted. So ticket added successfully. You can see it here as well. Okay, see the second ticket raw data. Okay, Sita. Okay, major issue. It has been added successfully. Okay, now let me log in as the admin with admin credential 654321. Wrong. 654321. Okay, now I will go to this view ticket where I can see both. Okay, two ticket open and one with high priority task, that is major task I gave for Pizza, right? So it shows. I can leave a comment for that also, and I can say it's active or not. Okay, so this is the thing. This is the thing. So thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. It will help me to do much more videos. See you in another great video. Thanks.